Happy holidays and welcome back to another video. My name is Caitlin and I hope you all are having a great holiday season and a wonderful day today. So, today is episode 10 of our 12 Days of Christmas Cookie series, and we are making drop sugar cookies that are rolled in red and green sprinkles. They are melt in your mouth delicious. They are absolutely fantastic, and they are kind of a staple in my family this time of the year. So, before we get started, subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of new recipes coming out, as well as a lot of cool appetizers that I have planned for our New Year's celebration, which will be cool. Those will be up after Christmas. So, without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to put into your mixer is 1 cup of butter. I'm using Country Crock plant-based butter and it's at room temperature. Then you're going to want to add 1 cup of sugar, as well as 1 cup of oil. I'm using canola oil, but you could also use vegetable oil. Then you want to add in 2 eggs, as well as 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Also add in a ½ teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then you want to turn your mixture on low. After everything is very well mixed, we're going to add 4 cups of flour. And I'm going to start with 2 cups, mix it, and then add the next 2 cups. That way it doesn't end up all over my house. And we're going to turn the mixer on low. And then we can add the next cup. So this is cup number 3 of flour. And cup number 4. Alright, so now that our dough is mixed, we can take about an inch-sized ball. You want to make an inch-sized ball out of the dough, and you're going to want to roll it in the red and green sprinkles. And then put it onto a greased cookie sheet. The dough is very gentle, so you want to make sure that you are not smothering the air out of it. But just touch it as lightly as possible. So now we have our cookies rolled and on our cookie sheet, so they can go into a preheated 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. Alright, here they are. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!